All right, so let's talk about this keyboard for a second. Because first of all, look at it. It lights up, it sparkles, it's doing all kinds of fancy, futuristic. I paid money for these things, and honestly, I love it. The keys feel great, the lighting is cute, it makes me feel productive, even when I'm not. But then, I needed to do Control, Shift, Home. Control, found it. Shift, easy. Home, where is home? I'm staring at this keyboard like it owes me money. I'm thinking, is home a vibe now? Is it symbolic? Is it a feeling? Turns out this beautiful, glowing, futuristic keyboard hid the home key like it was a secret level in a video game. Once I figured it out, smooth sailing, amazing keyboard, fantastic feel, great lights. Just know, if you need home, you might have to go on a little journey first.